Yo, this is, yo, it's so cute. It's a tea bag. I like how simple the packaging is. This is what the bottle looks like. It keeps it separated from your regular bottle that you know. Reminds me of like tea bag. Oh wow, this is pretty cool. So it's rice water for hair growth. Organic white rice, 100% natural growth. This one says made in Korea, and maybe Korean rice is a little different from what they got up here in America. So, you know, we like to believe our stuff, so. Oh, it gets even cuter. Yo, this is, yo. It's a tea bag. And they're individually packaged, no mess. You don't got rice flying around everywhere, and it's clean. I really like this. I'm definitely gonna be trying very, very soon, so check out and look out for that.